Having wrong expectations from anybody will hurt you. Even if you have wrong expectations from your parents, it will hurt you. Having wrong expectations from investors will hurt you deeper if you've had it for a longer period of time, or if you have invested more of your time, money, and energy in building those expectations. This is Arvind Jain, a lawyer turned property and cashing expert. I help crorpatis multiply their land incomes by 10x using my Fantasy system. Let me explain you this complexity by using a simple story. This happened somewhere in London on a chill Friday evening. The weather was so cold that anybody on the road would feel like running to his home, jumping into the bed and pulling a blanket and just falling asleep. It was a chill weather. A jeweler was sitting royally in his shop. And inside that shop, a rich, old, filthy rich man entered along with a young, dashing, ravishingly beautiful female, and they both were indecently walking towards and clinging to each other in a very indecent manner. They came inside, they selected some great pieces of expensive jewelry, and the old man wrote a check and he handed over to the jeweler and told him, you pack all these pieces. After the check encashes, I will come back to your shop and I'll take these expensive pieces. And this old man and this dashing, beautiful girl, they just left the shop. Fast forward, a few days later, this jeweler saw this old man at the airport, and he ran towards him and he told him, your check bounced and those pieces of jewelry, what do I do with them? The old man laughed out and he said, well, for you only the check bounced, but after that Friday, on that Saturday and Sunday, I bounced a lot with that girl. And they both of them laughed at the airport. Now, this is what happens when you have wrong expectations with investors. Many people think that investors have a lot of money and no brains, and investors do not verify information what we talk about them. Whatever we tell them, they just believe it, and whatever technical data we fudge with them, whatever projections we manipulate, or everything, investors are just going to blindly believe it. Of course, there are some investors who have got money in an easy way or in some other way, or who have inherited wealth, but many investors have earned that wealth. They know the value of money, and they are really very smart people. So if you fool around with investors, even investors can take you for long rides, which you never come to know. Here in our story, the girl thought that this rich old man does not know the cheap sources of meat in London. Okay, now coming to our this thing. So it is always going to investors with authentic data, with authentic projections, with real technical data, with real business models is going to help you a lot, and you can attract them faster. You can attract capital faster into your business. Before I sign off, I would like to show you many more things about my digital ecosystem. If you like my videos, subscribe to this channel, Property Ace Club. You'll find many ways to earn money out of properties. Searching for properties and going around looking for properties is a very boring job, and it could be fun if you do it in a group. And so click the link below and join the Property Ace Club group if doing in a group would make it easy for you. And I have many courses in real estate and on building wealth, and many of them are free. You can click on the links below and go ahead and complete them. I have written a few books on real estate and building wealth. And if you like to read on some practical aspects of building wealth or on real estate, just click the links below, download them and read them. And if you want me to make more videos on land or wealth and anything which is going to help you and which is going to help you grow your wealth, or which help you going to grow your incomes or become rich faster, just write the topics below. I'll see how fast I could do it. Okay, like these videos, share these videos with your friends. Let more and more people get a chance to make more and more money out of property. Have a great day. I'll see you shortly in some other video. Take care. Bye.